product formula will be applied. Okay. df over df over dx. Here alpha is x. Okay. Okay. So product formula will be applied. Okay. Derivative of first as it, derivative of second, plus derivative of first second as it. Okay. This will be x plus 1 because their derivative is not applying. What is derivative of x cube? Power will be shifted and one power will be reduced. Okay. Plus derivative of x with respect to x, I have already proved. Derivative of x with respect to x or derivative of alpha with respect to alpha, that is 1, and the derivative of constant with respect to x, that will be a 0. Okay. Oh, where is okay. Yes, I'm writing here. First step 1. I have used the formula f alpha as it, derivative of g alpha with respect to plus I use this theorem. Okay. Okay. In step 2, here I use this formula d alpha power, I'm writing each n step, d alpha power n over d alpha. What is that? That alpha n minus 1. I have used this here. Okay. So that's why 3 will be shifted and alpha minus n. Okay. Yeah, that's why that is a 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. And next, dx over dx plus d1 over dx. X, differentiate x with respect to x, that is 1. And whenever we differentiate any constant with respect to any variable, their derivative is 0. I have already proved in the previous. Okay. So what is the result? 3x plus 1, x की power 2 plus this is 1, this is you may write this is 1 plus 0 x cube. You may write 3x square x plus 1 plus x cube. So this is df over d alpha. Oh. So this will be result. Okay. We may simplify it, but abhi tak ke liye aap, you may simplify it in this way. You may write, you must write sorry, you must write 3x cube plus 3x square plus x cube. You also write this way. Okay, got it? I have already proved the first theorem that when we differentiate the constant with respect to any alpha, if C mean constant any, that may be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 any. If we differentiate constant with respect to that will be a 0. If there is a no change, there is a no variable. Okay. So, okay. So what will be the solution? Please be silent. These are the two function. If I say this is a fx, and if I say that this is a gx, there are two functions. Okay. So product formula will be applied. So dx 3 over dx x plus 1 over 3 as it plus x3 as it, the derivative of second function. You may also change the order. You may consider that firstly take derivative of this and multiply this. ये आप पहली टर्म ले सकते हो, ये सेकंड टर्म ले सकते हो, आप दोनों तरीके से अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Okay. So what is the derivative of this? The power will be shift. Derivative of this function will be a 3x square dx dx over dx, that will be equal to 1. Okay. The x plus 1 will be as it. Okay. Plus x3 as it, derivative of this function. Okay. So what will be the derivative of this? Firstly, power will be shift. 1 over 3 x plus 1, 1 over 3 minus 1, 1 power will be, and derivative of x plus 1. Okay, because according to what is the formula? Fx over dx, it is power, then n fx power n dfx over dx. I have used this formula. Okay. Firstly, power shift. One power will be one will be subtract with the power, and then derivative of this function. Okay. Derivative of yes. This will be a 3x square dx over dx, that is equal to 1. Okay. So this will be x plus 1 by 3. Okay. Plus x3 as it, one over 3 x plus 1, 3 minus 3 minus 3 plus 1, it is equal to minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Derivative of, now derivative will be applied on this, dx over dx plus d1 over dx. I have already, because it is a multiplying with this, I have already explained dx, that will be equal to 1, and the derivative of constant, because constant is not changing, so derivative is actually the infinitesimal small change in the function. Because this function is not changing, so that their derivative will be a 3. Okay, so this will be a this. Okay, so what will be the result? This will be the result. 3x square x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3
x square x plus 1 over 2 by 3, that is multiplying 1. In this, because 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So that will be over total equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So that will be equal to this. So three x square x plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 x cube x plus 1. So this will be the result. Okay, got it? Now other question was, the second question was, yes, what was the second question? Exercise was, yes, what is the second exercise? X 1 by 3 sine 3x square. With y we know that sine x is cos x. Okay. So how we will solve it? What will be the solution? Yes. This is also a product formula will be applied as it. So this is the first function. This is the second. So product formula will be applied on this. Okay. Yes. So d over dx x1 by 3 sine 3x square. Okay. How we will differentiate it? Yes. This is first. This is second. Derivative on first. Dx 1 over 3 dx. Yes. Second will be as it. Okay. Plus first is as it. Okay. Derivative of sine 3x square. Okay. Yes. Power will be shifted. Yes. As I have already explained in this case, firstly power will be shifted. 1 over 3 x 1 over 3 minus 1 power will be reduced. That will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Second function will be as it, as I have already explained, plus first function will be as it, derivative of second, derivative of sine is, yes, as I have already written, that will be a cos 3x square, okay, multiply the derivative of this argument. Okay, the angle argument of the sine function, that is d by 3x square over dx. Okay? Yes? Okay. So this will be 1 over 3 x power minus 2 by 3 sine 3x square, okay, plus x1 by 3 cos 3x square, derivative of yes, derivative of 3x square. What will be the derivative of 3x square? Power will be shift. Power will be shift. 3 multiplied by 2 will be a 6x. That will be a 6. Two minus 1 is equal to 1. Actually, 2 minus 1 that will be equal to 1. I may write it is equal to 1. Yes? X to power 1. Derivative of dx because power is shifting. 3 multiplied by 2 power will be 6x. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So derivative of dx with respect to dx, that will be equal to 1. Okay. So what will be this then? 1 over 3 sine 3x square over x by 3 plus x power 1 of 3 So this will be the second exercise. Okay. So this will be the result. Got it? Okay. If the exercise is if this is exercise, x to the power 1 by 2 sine have a power 5 3x square. So how we may solve it? Okay. Okay. Yes. First function and second. Okay. So in the first function will be firstly we will apply the derivative of first function. Okay. Dx 1 over this. Okay. Second function will be as if plus, yes, yes, first function will be as it derivative of second function okay. So yes, power will be shaped 1 by 2 xt power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and derivative of dx with respect to dx, that will be equal to 1. I think now I don't need to write, or I must not. Dx over dx. Okay. Plus x1 by 2 as it, x1 by 2 means square root. Okay. Derivative of sine is cos. No. Now here is the power. We can't differentiate. We have to apply this because now we have a power of sine, not a. So firstly I have to shift the power. So because here is power of the sine. Firstly I have to shift this power and then I may apply the derivative according to this one. Okay. So 5 will be shifted. Sine, yes. What will be the power of sine? 5 minus 1, 4. Now the derivative of this, d sine 3x d. Okay, now power has been shifted. Okay, so derivative of dx with respect to dx, that is equal to 1. 1 by 2 sine 3x square power 5 divided by x square root. Done. Okay. Plus x square root x raised to power minus 1 by 2. It will shift it to the denominator. X minus 1 by x minus 1 by 2 may be written as 1x 1 by 2. And that is x. Okay, that's it. Okay, negative sign means that will become a negative power means that will become a denominator. Okay. Okay. 5 will become out. So 5 x square root. Now the derivative of this function. Yes. What will be the derivative of sine 3x square? I have already calculated. Okay. Derivative of sine is cos. No, sorry.
The sine power is derivative. Derivative.
Sorry. 5 sine power sine power 4. Argument is 3x square. No. Sorry. 5 sine 4 3x square. It will come as it. Okay. Then we will differentiate. So 5 x square root sine power 4 3x square. Derivative of sine. Yes, derivative of sine with respect to no, there is no power. So derivative of sine with respect to dx, that will be a cos 3x square d by okay. So 1 by 2 sine 5 3x square x square root plus 5 x square root sine 4 3x square cos 3x square yes 6x 6 x square so so this will be the answer of this exercise. Okay.
The simplest way is if we consider that this is two functions. Actually, these are three functions. Okay. Let's suppose I say that this is first is fx and this is a gx. Okay. Let's suppose this is fx. And the formula will be for if two functions are dividing. We know that. Okay. If this is a formula, okay, we know that if two functions are dividing, okay, derivative of first function, second function will be as it minus first function as it derivative of second function divided by gx square. This is a formula and I have already proved this theorem. Okay. So we consider this is fx and this is a gx. Okay. So we have to find let fx is x cube plus 1 2 sine 2 3x square. We have to find the derivative of this. Okay. So how we may find the dfx over dx. This will be treated as in the previous exercise. This will be treated as first and this will be treated as a second. Okay. So product formula will be applied. derivative of first, second will be as it, plus, yes, first will be as it and derivative of second. Okay, got it? So derivative of first, what will be the derivative of first? Yes, power will be shift. Two x cube plus 1, power is shift, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, okay. So the power will be 1. Now the derivative of this, the derivative of dx cube plus 1 over dx. Power will be shift, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and then derivative of this argument. पहले इसका पावर शिफ्ट हुई, ये फंक्शन आएगा, फिर इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे जैसे पहले. ओके, साइन स्क्वायर 3x स्क्वायर प्लस, यस, x cube plus 1 square will be as it, okay. Derivative of this, power will be shift, 2 sine 3x square, derivative of 3x square dx, okay. Okay, so 2x cube plus 1, yes, derivative of this function will be 3x square what will be the derivative of this? Power will be shift, okay. This equal to 0, derivative of constant is 0, and derivative of this will be a 3x square dx over dx or 3x square, okay. Derivative of dx with respect to dx, that is 1, okay. So you will get the result 2x cube plus 1 3x square plus 0 sine square 3x plus x cube plus 1 square 2 sine 3x square 6 multiplied by 2 will be 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12. 12 x derivative of dx with respect to dx, that is equal to 1. This will be a result, okay? Or you may say that this will be a 2 3x square. This will be 2 multiplied by 3 क्या होता है? 2 multiplied 6x 3 plus when we multiply power add, so 3 multiplied by 2 6, x3 multiplied by x2, what will be the x5 sine 2 3x plus 12 x into x cube plus 1 square sine 3x square. Okay, so this will be the fx, derivative of fx. Now what will be the derivative of gx? This is now we have to find the derivative of gx, and gx is x plus 1. Okay. This 2 multiplied with 3, this is 0. We may say that this is equal to yes. This is plus, when we add 0, the number will be remain the same. So this will be equal to 3x square. Okay. So when we multiply 3 with the 2, that will be a 6. X square multiplied by x cube. When we multiply two numbers, the power will be added, two same numbers. So x3 plus x2, that will be equal to 1 minute. Yes. You are right. This will be a 6x5 sine square 3x plus, yes, 2 sine square 3x, yes, you are right, plus 12x x cube plus 1 whole square sine 3x. Now it is okay. Okay. So no. Let's see. 2 multiplied with 3x square, okay, that will be a 6x5 sine square 3x. When 2 multiplied by this 6x square, 6, here will be a, because this is a 3x square. When it multiply with, this will be 3x square, and multiply this will be a 6x square. Okay. Okay, this will be a 6x square sine square 3x. Okay, so this will be a fx. Okay. Now what's about the gx? Yes, what will be the about the gx? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, okay. Thank you. Thanks for correction. Okay. What is the ये correct कर लेना बेटा. ठीक है. Three multiplied by two. हाँ, yes. Okay. So, what about the gx? Gx is x plus 1. Okay. And what is the derivative of this? Derivative of gx with respect to x, that will be a dx over dx plus d1 over dx. Dx is equal to dx over dx plus, yes, this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 0. Derivative of constant with respect to any variable, that will be a 0. Okay, so the result will be a equal to 1. Okay, x plus 1, gx is a x plus 1, so that will be equal to this. Okay, so our solution what will be the solution? dfx over dgx. Sorry, this was wrong. That was actually this formula was this. Was wrong. This formula is actually this formula when we are differentiating with respect to x, not with respect to gx. So, if we differentiate dfx over d over dx of f and gx, this will be a derivative of first function, gx will be as it, minus fx will be as it, gx divided by gx derivative. Okay, so by putting these value, yes, f dash of x, what is this? Is f dash of x. Okay, what is that? That is 6x5 sine square 3x square plus 6x square sine sine square 3x square plus 12x x cube plus 1 square sine 3x square. This was a derivative of f multiplied by gx. What was a gx? That was a x plus 1. Yes, that is fx. This is fx and this is a gx minus fx is, this is given, this is fx. Okay, fx is Yes. Minus x cube plus 1 square sine square 3x square. Sine square 3x square. That is and what is the derivative of gx? That is equal to, this is actually g prime x, okay, and this is a fx, okay. So multiply with the 1. Divided by, that was a gx, not a gx, gx square, okay, gx square, gx square, gx square, no, gx square, gx is x plus 1 square, x plus 1. So this will be the your result.